Hi everybody, Larry here from MarineMax in Jacksonville. And I'm out here today on this 2024 Sea Ray 19 SPX. Great little sport boat, extremely nimble, very agile, great for water sports, pulling tubes or skiers from the ski pole. Let's start here at this power plant. This is the upgraded engine for this model. This is 150 horsepower Mercury. This is going to give you lots of power, push this boat near 50 miles an hour. Very, very nice engine. The rear deck on this boat has sea deck on it, which is great, nice and cool in the sun, tacky when it's wet, gives you a nice non-skid surface. Great way to get in and out of the boat when you're at the sandbar. Looking at the transom here, we've got a large sun pad, and with the boat being an outboard, that gives us all this storage space inside. You can put plenty of beach chairs in here, all your life jackets and safety gear, fenders, dock lines. There's plenty of room, tons of storage in this boat. Now as we move into the cockpit, you'll notice that the grab rails and the cup holders are stainless steel. Very great, very nice for a saltwater environment. And one thing that Sea Ray is known for is the nice, safe, deep seating inside the boat. So whether you're over here on the port side, the passenger side, at the rear bench, or up at the bow, you feel like the boat is surrounding you and your family. It's a very safe, comfortable feel when you're out on the water. Over here at the helm, we have a digital dash with a Simrad GPS sonar display, which is a multi-function unit that also shows you your engine data, things like fuel, etc., all on the dash electronically. We've got an upgraded Fusion stereo with amplifier, subwoofer. The stereo on this boat is booming. Large helm seat area over here. The seat is adjustable forward and back. It also turns as well. And you've got tilt steering, give you a nice comfortable driving position. Very easy boat to handle. Up at the bow, we've got some great comfortable seating up there and a dedicated anchor locker at the very front, which is something that you don't see on small bow riders. Very well thought out. Tons of storage on this boat. In the floor here, we've got wet storage for wakeboards, skis, etc. You've got plenty of dry storage underneath here, which is all finished. We've got storage underneath the rear seats as well as the bow seats. If you'd like to know more about this Sea Ray or take a sea trial, please reach out to me at 904-545-5310. Thank you. Have a great day.